We are speaking from National Science Center, New Delhi. Here we are participating in Innovation Fair for past 2 days, and we are lucky to have Colonel Rajesh Kumar Verma with us. He is an officer retired from Army Corps of Engineers, Indian Army, and we have briefed him about Bunkerman technology on this style of Bunkerman. And now our team would like to have his views about this technology. Over to Ms. Kritika.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
You have just heard a detailed explanation from Sir about our technology. Could you please share your thoughts on how useful you find it and why it should be considered highly beneficial?
Now you have to understand one thing, कि by 2050, our urban population is going to decrease. There will be mass level influx from from rural area to urban area. So number one. Number two, the pollution, which is prevailing in metro cities, tier 1, tier 2 cities, and it is increasing day by day. So therefore, we need to have fresh air, and which is beneficial for the health. What I am seeing from last 2-3 months, I am seeing this technology, and General Sripal, because he is known to me, and I am very interested when I was linked by him to know this technology. What I found in this technology, because आपका ये said कि there's आपका multi level benefits. One level is you have to button a mode, आपका button we can have आपका fresh air to come. In case of what he was telling, in case of emergency in nuclear explosion, these are very very important, and in the near future, because the things जो आपका pollution का level बढ़ रहा है, and जो gases आज की environment के अंदर आपका जो green gases अब आ रही है, तो there is a requirement we need to have आपका this type of technology, and there is no doubt this is much more required first of all in the hospitals, big industrial buildings, and after certain period it will be liked by everybody, and it will be given to it will be should be used for the all people who can afford it. Because if you can afford a mobile phone of 1 lakh, 1.5 lakhs, you can afford it. What's the problem? You are getting a fresh air. There's no issue at all. Number two, what he has said about in case of emergency, there is a requirement of oxygen also. The masks are there, so it can also be like your life surviving equipment. So therefore, in near future, it has got a tremendous demand, and I'm very sure that General Sripal is doing wonderful.
Yes.
And all the very best.
Sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.